I've got this 4-foot by 36-inch aluminum deck gate. You can see here, very nice. It comes with all the hinges for installing. It also comes with the latch as well, with the key for installation. So think of that adding to your aluminum decking with a beautiful gate that swings back and forth. So very nice. This is a very nice side post. It's reinforced. It's welded for anti-sagging, so very durable frame structure. Very nice. It's that matte black finish, so very elegant as well. It's built to prevent that sagging over time with the upper and lower head rails. Beautiful workmanship and texture. This deck gate is made with very nice high quality aluminum. Again, you can see here, very nice high quality light as well. It also has that rust proofing as well for the elements of northern Minnesota or wherever you live in the rain, and it's corrosion resistant. So very nice. It comes with all the tools, the installation instructions, very nice. It makes it nice to add on to your deck, specifically when you look at keeping animals in or keeping loved ones safe as well on top of your deck. So I love this 4-foot by 36-inch aluminum deck gate. Very nice.